welcome to my channel. Here we'll be solving question 3. And question 3 says that construct a circle of 81 millimeters diameter. Using general method, construct a nonagon in the circle. Construct a nonagon in the circle. So the diameter of the circle is 81 millimeters. So let's see how this can be done. What we need to do first is to draw a horizontal line. So we draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, so I'm going to take a measurement of 81 millimeters. So from here, so this is the 0.0. So then I will take 81 here. So this is 81 millimeters. So this point, I will call it point A. Okay, then this is point B. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to bisect this line. It is 81 millimeters. Supposing it is 80 millimeters, I can easily get the midpoint. So to get the midpoint, I'm going to bisect this line AB. So we bisect line AB. So we put the midpoint of the compass here at A, and then we extend to a radius greater than half of AB. Then we draw an arc up here, and then we draw it down. Okay, then we put the point at B now with the same radius. So we draw an arc here and draw an arc here. Alright, so we are going to join the point of intersection of the arcs together. Okay, so to draw a bisector of line AB, so we draw a line like this. Okay, so this is the midpoint of line AB. So let's call this point, let's call it point O here. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to draw the circle now. So putting the midpoint of the compass at point O, then I will extend to point B. Okay, point B here. Then I'm going to draw a circle like this. So we draw a circle here. Alright, so just take it easy. Okay, so we have drawn the circle now. So we have drawn the circle. Now, next thing that we are going to do, because we are asked to use general method, so we are to construct a nonagon. That is a 9-sided polygon. So what we are going to do is that we are going to divide AB into 9 equal parts. We divide line AB, which is the diameter of the circle, into 9 equal parts. So how do we do that? Just look at the way I'm going to do it. It's very, very simple. Now, so what we need to do now is that we are going to draw a line. So for me, I usually set my ruler like this when it's come to doing this type of work. So I will, you can use your 30-degree set square, set it on your ruler. What I mean is, let me do that. So this is my 30-degree set square. So I will set it on my T-square like this. Okay, then this point is at point A. Then I will draw a line in this direction. Draw a line in this direction. Then I'm going to, let's call this line, let's call it line AC. So this is line AC. Then I'm going to take one that is 10 millimeters or 1 centimeter each from A. So this is 1, this is 2. So what we are doing is that we are going to divide this line AB into 9 equal parts because we are constructing a nonagon. That's a 9-sided polygon. So that's why we have to divide this line AB into 9 equal parts. And when you have to do that, you do it on this line. Okay, you do it on this line. So that is 2. So this is 3. Okay, here is 4. So this is 5. Okay, then here we have 6. This is 7. Then this is 8. And then we have what we have 9. Alright, so the last one is this. So we are going to join the last one with the end of the line, which is point B. So we join the last one with the end of the line, which is point B. Okay, so having done this now, next thing we are going to do is to set a set square along this line. and you support it with the ruler. Okay, so like this. Alright, so you move it to the next point and you draw a line that will touch line AB. You move it to the next point, so draw a line that will touch line AB. So I've said before, when you are doing this work, you make sure the ruler is stable or remain unmoved on the surface of the paper. Then it is the set square that you are moving. The set square that you are moving. So if I move to the next one now, you can see that the ruler does not shift. Then it is the set square that I moved. So you draw this line. So move the set square to the next point. Then draw this line to meet line AB. So from here now to the next point. So draw a line to meet line AB. So move to the next one. So you draw a line to touch AB. Then draw to touch AB. Then you move to the last one. So then you draw a line that will touch AB. So this is it. Alright, so we are going to number this point. So here is point 1. This is point 2. This is point 3. Okay. So here is point 4. This is point 5. Here is point 6. This is 7. And this is point 8. Then this is point 9, which is NB, is point 9. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is very, very important. So you need to pay attention to this. So put the midpoint of the compass at point A, extend it to the NB of the line. Okay, so extend it to point B on the line. Then you draw an arc up here. Draw an arc up here. Okay, so like this. Then you draw it down here. Draw it down here. Okay, then with the same radius, put the midpoint at point B here. Then you draw an arc up. It will touch point A. So draw an arc up here. So draw an arc up like this. Okay, then you draw it down. Okay, so the arcs intersect. Alright, so the next that we are going to do is that we are going to draw a line from this point. If I call this point here, let me call this point point D. Okay, so where the arcs intersect, and this point I will call it point E. So next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to draw a line from this point D. It will pass through point 2 and touch the circle. Then we do the same thing. Draw a line from point D here, passing through point 4 and touching the circle down here. Then we draw it again from this point O here, D here, passing through point 6 and touching the circle. So we also draw from D again, passing through it and touching the circle. This is it. So if I draw from this point O now, okay, so we draw a straight line from here and you pass through point 2 to touch the circle at this point. So let's take note of this point. Okay, then again you draw a line from point O passing through point 4 and touching the circle. Okay, so this is it. So draw the line to pass through point 4 and it touches the circle at this point. So take note of that. Then draw again from this point D here. From point D, draw a line. So passing through point 6. So we make use of the even number. So this is another point here on the circle. Then you draw again from O passing through point 8. Passing through point 8. So lines are many, but this is more accurate. So draw the line to touch the circle at this point. So this is another side. So take note of this. Okay, so then we now go to point E here. So we draw a line from E passing through 8. So I can start with 2 down to 8. I can also draw from, take it from 8 to 2. So draw a line from here to touch the circle at this point. So you take note of where the line touches the circle. Then draw from E again to pass through 6. To pass through point 6. So this is it. So draw the line like this to pass through point 6 and touching the circle at this point. So this is it. Touches the circle at this point. Then from E again, draw A to pass through point 4. Draw a line to pass through point 4. So it goes like this. So it touches 4 at this, it touches the circle at this point. After it has passed through 4, then you now draw from E again, passing through 2 and touching the circle. So this is it. So draw this line, passing through 2 and touching the circle at this point. Okay, so we have what we have this. Alright, so what we are going to do is that this point here, so if I'm to label this, so we already have, this is CD, and then okay, we have EF, so this is C, so EF, okay, this is F, so this is F, so this is G, okay, so here is H, I, so we have A here, so this is J, okay, here is K, and this is L, and this point is point M. Okay, so if you look at the number of letters that we have here, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, if I'm to join this together, I hope this will not be giving me a 10-sided polygon. So this is 1, okay, and this is okay, so I'm not supposed to count B, so we are joining M and F together. So this B I'm not supposed to, I shouldn't have counted it, okay, as part of the point on the vertices of the polygon. So we join GH together, okay, so join GH together with a straight line. Alright, so then we join HI together. HI together, then we join IA together like this, then we also join AG together, then we join, so JK like this, then we join KL together, then we join, so LM together like this. Alright, so if you look at what we have a 9-sided polygon. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is a 9-sided polygon, which is a Nonagon. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice it. When you practice it, you get it better. Thank you, and keep on practicing.